good morning, love, good day, love, and for today I'm back again with another travel vlog. And for today's travel vlog, we are here in Alcantara Sea Paradise. I am with Marian, with Marifel Milgar, which are my friends. So for those who doesn't know, Alcantara is one of the town here in Cebu, in southern Cebu. It is situated in the center of Ronda and Mualboal. So maybe other people doesn't know about this sea paradise, but apparently this is one of the most prestigious tourist spots here in Alcantara. So this boardwalk is about 1 kilometer, which leads to the coast of the sea. So as you can see, there are lots of mangrove trees here. So come here, guys. The entrance fee is very cheap, around 20 pesos. So tag along your friends and see the beauty of Alcantara Sea Paradise. Such a nice place. Layan, kung nakauyab diri yan, diri mo mag-date.
Puhon. Kung ay pakita. Bastos ra.
Shout out na ko sa uyab ni Maria.
Hi dong. Hi dong. Hi dong. Okay na ka diya. Lindog sa kainit panahon. Wait lang.
Sama sa akong gugman niya, Marian. Init.
Oo, kasak. Paano igo sa kong tingkas?
Pero ninot bito kay siya. Masika ka ning mga suga sa?
Sige lang gabi.
Dagang mag-date diri uy. It's freezing hot here. Freezing hot, Jod. Freeze niya hot. Tarong karya. Kinita oy.
Shoutout ko sa kong ex niya.
Kasi mong ex. Nari kayo uya. Na kay ex yan.
No.
Ganun nagbuwag pa mo yan. Interview na this.
Nagbuwag mi kay dagang laki. Ikaw pala ako.
Dili magmaoy kay dagang laki.
Shoutout sa mga gibuwagan diha nga di angay magmao ay kay daghang panglaking maibot dito sa unahan.
Ay dira na siya kutob. Asa daw unsay end na.
Kutob?
Una. Dira gi kutob among relasyon. Po man may relasyon. Po man may relasyon. Sa mga naiplanong magpakamatay iyo in town diri kay mubo ra kayo. Amo. Sana olay payong.
Okay.
Di jud kay ngon mas langga. Hoy langga, di ko na maingnan pa dadon ko ni mong payong. So as you can see, guys, the nature is very nice and it is very perfect for photography and filming. So you can also visit this place, the Alcantara Sea Paradise, as your location for your pre-debut and pre-wedding or prenup. So check this out, guys. I know I can guarantee you the nicest pictures. So what's up, guys? It's so hot in here. I'm fine.
Oh, dami. Bakit yan? Sumuka ko rin niya. Nabiti-bibit ako. Yung sa mundo.
Ano, di ka na ba? You want? So that's it for today, guys. So it's a paradise. 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 Nice. Paradise.
Talan ron, layo ko tag.
Paradise.
Layo ko dong.
Ano to? Ang mga ibon.
Ang ngayon kay Karya.
Gani. Murag na sudlag abog ba kay
Wait lang. Na ako kakita ka lang against the light, be.
Picture.
Picture it lang. Para sa
Ako yung
ba
picture ni
sunset,
mo, be.
be. Saan? Dili ka na.
So that's it for the day, guys. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you like this video and give it a big thumbs up. Wala lang, nalingaw lang ko dere. So, hey guys, thank you Miss Marian Carcelier.
Para ka masaydo, wala pa to na video.
Ay, pwede.
Sige, play. Bala gagapot lang.
1, 2, 3, go. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you Miss Marian Carcelier and Miss Mary Milgar for accompanying me in this travel vlog, and I hope you guys go here, check this out, and have a good time. So let's go!
Ang ngayon, day.
Hi Marian.
Ay, kasi single dia.
Hi Marian, kasi single din ha. Hi Seth. You're taken now, so sorry mga boys, maganda siya pero hindi na pwede, si Marian na lang talaga.
Hindi ko taken. Ay, di ko single. Ay.
So Marian, unsa imong mga qualities sa lalaking imong ganahan?
Basta, maako lang. Wala na.
Hello? So nice jud yung mga grooves, no? Look at that. Big asset jud ni sa mga Alcantara ang ilang Sea Paradise. The Boardwalk Sea Paradise, which is located near the Alcantara Gymnasium. So don't forget to check this out and I'm gonna post my pictures, our pictures in our Instagram. Just follow me at Karya, and Isit is, what's that mo Isit? Isit Milgar? What's that? Miracle. Felicia. Paradise. It's a paradise, you know. It's a paradise.
Mama Dunitia. Mama Dunitia.
Ha? Oo. Di man
Asa?
maklaro na sa video.
Aun sa man?
The birds.
Asa?
There.
Asa?
Oh, kita mi ganina guys. Og ibong adar na to na.
Look ito.
Or kung lagi to siya eagle.
Di siya ibala, di siya eagle. Kila kog eagle.
Ah, unsa dito siya ibong adar na or what? Like, dako gyud kay siya nga bird and ninot siya tanang. At salamat. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye Sea Paradise.
Dami.
Is. Oy ka. Ay, kahugaw. Ay, tiyan.
Ay, pila akong
Bye-bye, Marian. I'm going to the city now.
Babus, I'm going to
Bye-bye.
my nephews. Ano sa man?
Bye-bye, Sea Paradise. See you next vlog. Bye, guys.